Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be working on the adventure bike once again. Got a little navigation setup that we're going to install using a nice CNC mount and a Garmin Zumo XT. So I'm going to assume that we're going to be taking apart a lot of this fun stuff, which doesn't look fun at all, but nonetheless, we've got to get power to that unit, and that seems to be the way everybody goes. So let's get started. So, something I didn't know I had sitting around was another one of these nice LED voltage readout plus USB chargers. So at the same time I'm pulling this assembly apart, I'm going to replace it with something better. I don't know what you would ever use this for, so that's going in the bye-bye bin, and then we'll replace it with this unit right here. It'll look really nice. Well, that turned out pretty nice looking. A lot better than I expected. What a nice little setup that is. We've got a dual USB charger now for whatever I would ever charge a USB charger with. And we've got the Garmin set up. Can't complain about that. Not a bad install. It does take a little bit of time to monkey around with this and get everything lined back up and all the pieces and parts put back together. But pretty simple. I will be leaving links in the description for everything you see here, including this little guy. And yeah, you could do the install on your own as well. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed yet, I'd love to have you as a subscriber. You're gonna want to stay tuned. We got a few more parts coming in for some of the bikes. Like, subscribe, share, all that fun stuff. But other than that, I hope you guys are staying safe, taking care of each other, and as always, I will catch you next time. See you later. Bye-bye.